Getting familiar with navigation ArcGIS Pro is really important with getting the most out of your maps. Using your mouse, by left clicking, you're able to pan around the map. Using your scroll wheel, you're able to zoom in and out. Using a combination of these two allows you to pan and move throughout the map very easily. In the Map tab under Navigation, you'll see there's an Explore tool. This breaks down how you can use your mouse to navigate. There are also other features that allow you to zoom in and out. There's fixed zoom, which will take you out to the extent of where you are in the fixed position, as well as the full extent, which will take you out to the full extent of your map that you're viewing. Bookmarks allow you to be very specific and look at particular areas within your map. These bookmarks will zoom right into where you want them to go and where you set them. To create a new bookmark, go to Bookmarks and go to New Bookmark. It will then use the extent that you have on your map to make a bookmark. To zoom back out, hit the World button, and that will take you back to the original extent of your map. Go to XY allows you to enter longitude and latitude coordinates to get specifically zoomed in to where you need to be.